Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to listen to my song. All the kids outside wanna play right now. 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 Hey guys, my name is Cali Dream and welcome to my channel. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, today we're gonna make ramen noodle soup. Kids, remember not to touch the stove by yourself without your parents. Okay kids, first you're gonna get the pot. So, we're gonna get this pot, kids. And then I'm gonna pour the soup in. First we're gonna boil the water. Okay guys, first don't touch the stove by yourself because always remember it's hot and you have to let a grown-up help you. First I'm gonna pour my water. Don't pour it too long, kids. Well, come on, it's gonna drop, kids. Okay kids, first we got the water in. It's boiling. Okay kids, first we're gonna wait for the water to boil. We're gonna just sit here a long time. Now the water boiled, now we're gonna put the soup in. There you go. Yeah, season it. Now, put it here, and then we have to mix it. But it's gonna be brown for a while, so don't do this at home if you have grown-up watching you. And because I have grown-up watching me, so that's why you have to be good and know what to do. So, kids, don't do that at home if you have grown up.
Let me put a little bit more water.
Okay, kids, let it cook for 5 minutes and let a grown up put in your bowl. Okay, kids, so now my mom gonna put it in the bowl. Now we're going to test it, if it's ready. Kids, now it's done. Now we have to eat it. First, we're going to take a little taste test. So,
Remember, it's hot. Okay, Callie, let it cool, honey.
Okay, kids. Now we're going to let it cool. I'm going to cover. And we have to put this on. And we have to put the spoon and things like that. And then we have to let it cool for 30 minutes. So now, bye guys today. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye kids!